Your Volkswagen has secret features hidden right under your nose, and most owners never discover them. If you own a modern Volkswagen, you're probably only using half of what it can actually do, because tucked inside the menus, hidden behind simple button combinations, and buried in features your dealership never bothered to explain, are powerful tools that can make your VW smarter, safer, more comfortable, and way more fun to drive. Today, we're breaking down 13 secret features in your modern Volkswagen, the ones dealers never mention. Some of these will save you money. Some will boost performance, and some will genuinely make you wonder, why didn't anyone tell me this earlier? So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know your Volkswagen on a whole new level. Let's get started. Feature 1. The hidden all windows down. Did you know your Volkswagen can cool down the cabin before you even get inside? Most owners have no idea, but if your VW has the modern key fob, you can hold the unlock button and all windows will automatically roll down. It's a lifesaver in summer. Imagine walking across a hot parking lot and letting all that trapped heat escape instantly. And here's the part even fewer people know. Hold the lock button and the windows roll back up, including the sunroof on many models. This feature is disabled by default on some markets, meaning you may need to activate it in settings. But once it's on, you'll use it all the time. Feature 2. Secret rest mode keeps car warm without the engine. Here's a feature people only discover by accident. If your VW has the rest button, often near the climate controls, it lets your car keep pumping warm air into the cabin even after the engine is turned off. Perfect for waiting in winter without idling, keeping a child asleep in the back, quick grocery stop in cold weather. It uses leftover engine heat stored in the coolant, completely safe and totally silent. Dealers rarely explain this one. Feature 3. Your VW is secretly recording way more than you think. Most Volkswagen owners only see the basic info on their dashboard: speed, fuel, temperature, the usual stuff. But behind the scenes, your Volkswagen is quietly collecting an entire universe of live data, the kind of information only engineers usually see. And here's the part they never tell you. There's a hidden menu inside many modern VWs that lets you peek directly into the car's digital brain. Once you unlock this secret page, you suddenly get access to live readings like digital turbo boost pressure. See exactly when your turbo kicks in, true oil temperature, not shown anywhere on the normal cluster, real-time battery voltage, perfect for diagnosing weak batteries, steering angle measurements, every tiny movement of the wheel, live G-force tracking, fun for spirited driving, climate system output, how hard the AC or heating is actually working. This isn't the normal settings menu. This is deeper, hidden under the service section, often unlocked with a long 8 to 10 second press. Most owners have no idea it exists. But once you open it, it feels like stepping into the command center of a jet. You're not just driving a car anymore, you're reading its heartbeat in real time, and it's addictive. Feature 4. The hidden leaving home light show. Volkswagen doesn't advertise this, but your car can put on a premium Hollywood-style entrance every time you walk toward it. If you know where to enable it, this is the leaving home / coming home animation, and when it's turned on, your VW literally greets you with a coordinated LED sequence as soon as you approach or unlock. Headlights fade in with a smooth cinematic glow. The LED daytime running lights sweep on like a luxury flagship. Side mirror puddle lights turn the ground into a spotlight. Door handle LEDs activate, guiding your hand straight to the grip. It's such a clean, futuristic effect that most people think it only belongs on high-end Audis or BMWs. But your Volkswagen already has it built in, just buried deep inside the lighting menu where 90% of owners never look. And aside from looking ultra-premium, this feature also has a real purpose. It lights the ground around your car. It illuminates puddles, curbs, uneven pavement, and dark parking spots before you even open the door. Practical, stylish, hidden in plain sight. Once you activate it, you'll wonder why you didn't use it from day one. Feature 5. The secret wiper service mode you didn't know exists. This one feels like a mechanic-level hack hidden in plain sight. Your VW's wipers look simple until you activate their secret trick, turn off the car, tap the wiper stalk down once, and suddenly the wipers rise into a straight service mode stance like they're standing at attention. Why does this matter? Because now you can lift them freely without scratching the hood, swap blades without a fight, and here's the cool part. Your VW even warms the resting area on chilly mornings so the blades don't freeze to the glass. It's one of those features you never think about until the day you see ice on everyone else's wipers except yours. Volkswagen hides genius in the small details. Feature 6. The hidden developer menu. Your dealer won't mention Volkswagen buried a secret menu inside the infotainment system, and almost no one knows how to summon it, press, and hold the menu button for about 8 to 10 seconds. If your model supports it, you'll suddenly unlock a behind-the-scenes control room normally reserved for technicians. Inside, raw system readouts, hardware IDs, live sensor data, communication logs, display test patterns. It's like your VW drops the friendly user interface and shows you the bare metal underneath. And the best part? You don't need a laptop, cables, or dealership tools. Just one long press. For tech lovers, this is the closest thing to having admin access to your own car. Feature 7. The hidden panic braking light defense system. Volkswagen doesn't just help you stop safely, it helps the people behind you too. If you ever brake hard, like truly slam the pedal, the car unleashes a built-in emergency light pattern. The hazards erupt in rapid pulses. The brake lights flicker faster than usual. It's like the rear of the car shouts, "Stop now!" Most people never notice it because it only triggers in moments of real danger, but it's a quiet guardian built into the car's software, always ready even when you're not. Feature 8. The hidden auto lock while driving. Every VW has layers of menus that most owners never explore. One of those buried gems controls whether your doors lock themselves when you start moving. Once you enable it, something magical happens. You set off down the road, and the doors automatically click shut like the car is saying, "All right, we're moving. Let me keep you safe." Then when you park, they unlock again, without you touching a thing. It's such a small feature, but once it's on, it feels like your car just got smarter overnight. Feature 9. The tailgate close trick. If your VW has a powered tailgate, you probably already know you can open it from the key fob. But here's the part they never tell you. You can close it too. It usually requires a specific long press combo, sometimes the same button, sometimes a dedicated one depending on model and market settings. When activated, you can walk away from the groceries, kids, or luggage and simply hold the fob. And the tailgate glides down smoothly like a luxury SUV. Volkswagen hides this feature, but once you learn the secret handshake, it feels like you unlocked a premium upgrade for free. Feature 10. The rare reverse warning pulse mode. This one feels almost futuristic. On certain VW models, when you reverse in special conditions, the rear LED lights subtly pulse, almost like the car is breathing. It's a visibility signal built into the lighting software. Something refined, gentle, and intelligent. You won't see it every day. You might own the car for years and never witness it, but the moment it activates, it feels like the car suddenly becomes aware of its surroundings, trying to make sure other drivers see you before you even move an inch. Feature 11. If your VW quietly learns your driving personality. This feature makes your car feel alive. Volkswagen's adaptive learning system watches how you drive silently. Day after day, do you accelerate smoothly or punchy? Do you coast gently or brake sharply? Are you relaxed on the highway or aggressive in corners? Your VW notices, then it adjusts itself. Gear shifts, throttle timing, steering feel, until the car begins behaving exactly how you like to drive. Two people can drive the same model and end up with cars that feel completely different. It's subtle, invisible, and incredibly smart. Feature 12. Hidden ambient lighting. Volkswagen loves hiding little upgrades for people who like to dig deeper beyond the standard color wheel in the ambient lighting menu. There are secret paired themes, carefully tuned color profiles that activate multiple interior zones at once. With certain combinations or long press tricks in specific models, you unlock curated moods like energy blue, electric and futuristic, sunset orange, warm and cinematic, sport red, intense and performance ready, ocean mode, calm and deep, eco-calm, soft and soothing. When these activate, the doors, dashboard, footwells, and strips shift in perfect harmony. Just like the lighting setups reserved for the highest trim models, your car suddenly looks more premium, without changing anything physical. Feature 13. Silent mode, locking for late night peace. This one is genius for people who come home late. Instead of the loud confirmation beep and flashing lights, Volkswagen lets you lock the car silently. If you know the trick, hold your hand on the door's lock sensor for about 2 seconds, and the car locks quietly. No beep, no flash, just a soft, discreet confirmation. Perfect for late arrivals, sleeping kids, or quiet neighborhoods. It's one of those features that makes you think, why don't all cars have this? And that wraps up our deep dive into 13 hidden Volkswagen features. Most drivers never realize they have. Your VW is packed with smart engineering, clever shortcuts, and premium touches that dealerships rarely take the time to explain. But now you know exactly how to unlock them, if you learned something new today. And I'm sure at least one feature surprised you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another Volkswagen owner who might still be driving without using half of these hidden tools. And if you want a part 2 with even more advanced tricks, coding tweaks, and secret menus that go beyond the basics, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, take care, and enjoy driving your Volkswagen the way it was truly meant to be driven.